Welcome to another insightful video, where we unravel the mysteries of predictive maintenance, the unsung hero of infrastructure preservation. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today I'll guide you through how predictive maintenance works, its reliance on modern technology, and how your business can optimize its strategy. We'll also explore the transformative role sensors play in early fault detection, failure detection, and integration with your CMMS. So stick around as we delve into the art of predictive maintenance and how it could potentially save your business thousands of dollars. Predictive maintenance is a silent hero that's been around for as long as people have been able to predict that something is about to break. It's the force behind everything from a simple refrigerator in a home to complex industrial equipment supporting thousands of dollars of infrastructure. So, how does predictive maintenance, or condition-based maintenance as it's sometimes called, work? What does it depend on today? And how can businesses improve their predictive maintenance strategy? We're going to cover all these questions in this video. Predictive maintenance today heavily relies on sensors. In the past, maintenance required a lot of tedious manual work and checks, but now, sensors have taken over in three major areas: early fault detection, failure detection, and integration with your CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System. Let's break down each of these areas and see how sensors can speed up the maintenance process for you and your company. First, we have early fault detection. Industrial-grade sensors can pick up on small faults within milliseconds, alerting administrators as fast as possible. This is something that employees might not always be able to see or find in time. Next, we have failure detection. If a failure is detected, sensors can alert administrators and sometimes even retroactively disable machines. This can often happen before the failure actively starts, preventing company downtime and potential employee injury. Finally, we have CMMS integration. For the above two things to happen, you'll need something that integrates with your user-facing UI. Thankfully, sensors work well with many CMMS systems. If they do not, your CMMS system is probably near the end of its usable lifespan. But what does predictive maintenance look like when a company does not use sensors or decides that they are not worth the investment? Well, before modern sensors, companies managed with consistent manual checks, lengthy problem detection processes, non-existent early fault detection, and expensive expert analysis. However, these methods simply don't work for modern companies. Today, sensors can solve almost all of these problems, sometimes even before they start. So what does predictive maintenance look like today with sensors? Well, predictive maintenance works with sensors in two main ways: employee engagement and CMMS integration. Employees engage with maintenance sensors in a variety of ways, from installing and setting up the sensors to monitoring them, maintaining them, and making decisions when the sensors require it. As for CMMS integration, the sensors connect to your CMMS solution and feed the data that they gather straight into your central database. Different reports, findings, and issues can then be pulled from that database into easily distributed and read reports. Now let's dive into the 6 most popular predictive maintenance sensors used today: vibration, gas, humidity, temperature, security, and pressure sensors. Vibration sensors measure vibrations in and on sensitive equipment. Gas sensors monitor different levels of various gases. Humidity sensors can monitor how many grams of water are in the air. Temperature sensors, as their name suggests, measure temperature. Security sensors include alarms, motion sensors, GPS trackers, and more. And pressure sensors detect how much pressure is put on a machinery system or weight. So, how does all this work for a company? Which sensors should you choose? And how are they installed? Well, UpKeep has a 4-step process designed specifically so that you and your company get the best sensor array for your needs. We'll help you choose the right sensors, place them on your equipment and assets, connect your new sensors to your UpKeep account, and finally, save money, time, and keep workers safe. And now, we've reached the end of our journey. We've explored the world of predictive maintenance, the role of sensors, and how they can revolutionize your business. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about UpKeep and our solutions, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the future of maintenance is predictive, and sensors are the key. Don't get left behind.